These days, everywhere you look, people are talking about heart health, high cholesterol, blood pressure, and all the things related to our cardiovascular system. But here is something that might surprise you. In traditional wisdom, it's often said that heart problem can actually start in the liver. When your liver becomes sluggish or overloaded with toxin, it can create an imbalance in your plasma and blood. And when this balance is disturbed, it's not just your heart that suffers, your entire circulatory system feels the impact. The truth is, our modern lifestyle put an enormous strain on this vital organ every single day. Overeating too much sugar, alcohol, late night meals, processed food, pollution, and even excessive use of medication all silently pile up stress on your liver. And here's the tricky part. In the early stages, liver doesn't usually announce itself with pain or obvious symptom. It's often silent, but that doesn't mean your body isn't trying to warn you. The signs are there if you know what to look for. In this video, I'm going to share 12 important warning signs that could mean your liver needs help. Stay with me till the end because I will also give you a simple but powerful herbal drink recipe that can do wonders for your liver health. But before we get to the science, let's understand just how incredible and important your liver really is. This one organ alone performs over 500 essential functions in your body. Think about it. It helps you digest fat. It processes every bit of sugar you eat. It regulates and balances your hormone. It detoxifies your blood by removing harmful substances and drugs. It even boosts your immune system by producing immune factor and clearing bacteria from your bloodstream. It will not be wrong to say, when your liver is healthy, your whole body thrives. So here are 12 crucial signs your liver may be in trouble. Constant fatigue and low energy. Feeling tired, foggy, or unmotivated even after proper rest, a sluggish liver can let toxin build up, draining your energy. Number 2 is yellowing of eyes or skin. A yellow tint means bilirubin is accumulating because your liver isn't processing it effectively. Number 3 is unexplained itching, especially at night without any rashes. This can happen when bile salt starts collecting in the bloodstream. Number 4 is discomfort or bloating in the upper right abdomen. That's your liver location. Swelling or inflammation here can cause pressure and discomfort. Number 5 is dark colored urine. If your urine is persistently dark yellow or brown, despite good hydration, your liver might be under stress. Number 6 is pale or clay colored stool. This happens when bile flows into your digestive tract is blocked or reduced. Number 7 is swelling in ankle, feet, or belly. Liver problem can cause fluid retention, leading to puffiness in these areas. Number 8 is nausea or loss of appetite, especially after fatty food. Trouble digesting rich food is a common sign. Number 9 is frequent bruising or bleeding. The liver produces clotting factor, and when it's weak, bruises appear more easily. Number 10 is hormonal changes. Reduced libido, breast enlargement in men, or irregular cycle and acne in women can be linked to liver issues. Number 11 is brain fog or forgetfulness. When toxins bypass the liver and enter the bloodstream, they can affect your brain. And the number 12 is persistent musky body odor or bad breath. If it's not about hygiene, it may be your liver struggling to break down toxin. If you have noticed one or more of these signs, don't panic. The good news is your liver has an incredible ability to heal, and you can help it by making some smart choices. Change your diet, reduce sugar and processed food, eat more whole grain, good fat, and high quality proteins. Avoid harmful habits, limit alcohol, stop smoking, and avoid eating late at night. Stay active and breathe deeply. Yoga postures and pranayama breathing can be amazing for liver health. Now, as promised, here is a powerful herbal drink that can give your liver a natural boost. It's called Guduchi Liver Detox Tea. Guduchi or Giloy has been shown in study to support liver regeneration. Here is how to make it. Take 1 tablespoon of dried Giloy powder, boil it in 2 cups of water until it reduces by half. Add a pinch of turmeric and few drops of lemon juice. Strain and sip warm once a day on an empty stomach. This tea cleanses, strengthens your immunity, and helps your liver to do its detox job more efficiently. Remember, your liver is more than just a detox machine. It's a guardian of your vitality. When you take care of it, you protect your heart, your hormone, your metabolism, and even your brain health. So be mindful and make those small changes. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science update.